There's a certain kind of comfort that lives in a bowl of miso ramen. The kind that feels older than the kitchen it's made in, older than the hands preparing it, older even than the recipe itself. It's the comfort of something that's traveled far, changed slowly, and carried with it the memory of many lives, many places, many quiet meals shared across time. Tonight, the kitchen becomes a small glowing world. The light is soft, the air is still, and somewhere in the background, something gentle simmers. This is where our story begins, not just with ingredients, but with time itself. Because miso ramen is not a dish that begins when you turn on the stove.